Hello, Victor here, HistoryMercedes.com. I just want to do before and after real quick. This is lower harness from 500 SEL, S500, S420, 140 chassis, alternator starter harness. So as you can see, it's in pretty bad shape here. This is in terrible condition. So I'm gonna fix it, and we'll make another video showing how it looks after I replace all these wires and wrap them all up just to make it work again. Alright, well, part 2 is coming up. Alright, so here it is. Harness is repaired, all the wires replaced, well, except for the main power lines. Those are solid. They use different insulation, and they're different type of insulation completely. It's like a few layers. If you look closely, you're gonna see that these are serious wires. These never fail. Well, nonetheless, everything is rewrapped, of course, so that's an extra layer of protection. Anti-friction tape, so this way it's not, when it rubs against something, it's just not gonna damage the underlying wires. Here is the starter connection right here. Alright, so this one has the plastic little cover. Well, that's how it comes. It's a little broken, but that's how I received it. Starter Bendix wire is a little longer. Also, a few layers of insulation on that, and all wrapped around here. So these wires are coming out a little bit away from the alternator, because this is where your oil pressure, oil level sensor would be. Now the rubber grommet on the oil level sensor falls apart pretty much always, so I just put in a little bit of wrap here just so it would remain together. A new plug, new end here on the oil pressure switch. Actually, I'm also going to wrap up this section here, like right here, just because I can. And alternator connection, right, and the alternator main power line. So, and this is it. Yeah, it seems like it's a very easy kind of thing to do. It's not super difficult, but the way I do it, it does take me quite a few hours, a long time rather than just a few hours. But this is a nice looking piece, ready for installation, ready to go. The plug is triple sealed, plastic welded, taped, silicone. Oh, forget about it. This is solid because this stays under the vehicle. I don't want no surprises by any means. So yeah, it takes a while, but that's what I do, just so it's solid and trouble-free for many years of operation. Alright, so this is it. This is the lower harness from 140 Mercedes-Benz, the 500 SEL, you know, S500, S420, 400 SEL, yeah, these are those cars. V12s are slightly different, inline sixes are also slightly different, and newer versus older, they're well, newer, I'm talking about 96 and up. Those I never seen fail, but these ones do fail. Alright, so this is it. Victor here, HistoryMercedes.com. Thank you for watching.